Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how you can speed up your Mozilla Firefox browser. And this problem may be occurring that your browser is slowed down or you are facing some kind of issues. So how can you solve this? Simply go to settings of your Mozilla Firefox browser and scroll down and find this option where it says check for updates, Firefox updates, and make sure your browser is up to date. If it has any updates, simply update the browser and check if your issue is solved or not. And once you update, make sure to try this one. Simply go to privacy and security and scroll down a little bit and you will see this option cookies and site data, as this might be creating lagging of your browser or some issues. So make sure you clear all the cookies and data, select everything, history, site setting, and make sure to remember your passwords and your logins, as this will remove everything, and click on clear. And once you clear, check your browser again and most probably your issue will be solved.